Welcome back. So we understood how to create the basic set and how to use it in your validation. Now we are going to understand how to create the single set. So single set you can enter many set inside the set for same table and same field. So single set in very simple language you can have many set inside the set if all the set are having single table and single value single field set is created. So let me show you practically. So for example, I want to create the list of the GL, but inside the set I want to create two different set. One set for my expense list of the GL, another set for the revenue list of the GL. So I'm going to create two set. So GS01, and I'm writing here expense GL, and I'm giving here SK1 table, this table. Okay, hit enter, select basic only, basic set, hit enter, give here same. Here I am giving all my list of the expense GL. So it is start from 6 series to 6. I can give a 6 series to 6999 for example. This is one set I created, expense GL set. You also observe this is the value. You are entering a value. Value nothing but my GL number I am entering. So one set created for expense GL. I am creating another set for revenue GL. Under the basic only SK1, give the GL, and here I am giving my revenue series, that is 5 lakh to 5 lakh 999. Okay, so this is my revenue GL list. Okay, this is the set. Two set I have created. Now this both set if I want to put under one set, then I have to use the single set. Okay, why I can use single set? Because both the set revenue set is also created same table, same field, that is GL number, and your expense is also created for same SKA1 table and same field SAKNR. Therefore single set I can use it. Okay, use here, right here Z. This consists revenue and expense GL. It enter a value set ID. It enter. Okay, and it will not uh, accept. Hit enter. Give the GL number. Observe here, now value is not coming. It is coming set. It is asking to enter set inside the this set. Inside this set, it is asking you to enter the set. But when you are creating the basic set, it was asking you to enter the value. Right here, list of expense and revenue GL. So enter both the set which you have created. Sorry, so many set will come. So go to GS01. You have created here. So it will be, it is better to note down when you create it. So this is your expense set. Copy it, paste here, and we'll also show you how to check in the table also. So it gets saved in table also, that also will see slowly. It enter. Right now what you are doing, so two set you are putting under one set. That time you have to use the single set. To use the single set, You have to make sure that both the set are under same table and under same field they are created. Okay, then only it is possible. If this is another set which is list of the company code and this is the list of the GL, then it is not possible to use the single set. Save it. So you can again use this single set in your logic. You can use like here, instead of this GL you can give the that single set, so it will check both revenue and expenses, because this set consists both revenue and expenses. Come here, come here, click on this one, so it will get deleted only that particular, and enter this set. Okay, so inside this two set you have additional two set, that one set consists expense, another revenue. So it will check this company code, and inside this set whatever value there, for that it will check this one. Okay, now let us see one practically also. Let us save it and check it. Okay, so let's go to FB60 posting and come back here, FB60, give your vendor, give here, and give the GL. This GL you give 1000, hit enter. So this is normal error that you get, cost center. Okay, now it is asking enter. This is my expense GL. So this is asking me to enter my statistical order as per my set order enter, and it is also asking me to enter the assignment. Okay, now let me use one revenue GL is used. Let me use one expense GL also. So sorry, expense GL, let me use one revenue GL. So like this GL I'm going to use. So for this also it will check. Reason being, revenue and expense both are put in the set. See, it is also checking. Okay, I hope you are clear. Thank you.